Hello, it's Deborah from the Attic, and let me introduce you to the March subscription box for your creative studio. If you're new to these, I would urge you to go and have a look at their website. I'll provide the link below, because these are, I think, one of the most beautiful subscription boxes you can get. Each month, these vintage themed collections are delivered to your door, and again, the website will have all the details for postage and everything like that. And even though you may not have this particular box for March, don't let that dissuade you from watching this video, because I'm going to show you 5 different layouts using only the contents of this kit. Now, normally when I do these unboxings, I take you through unboxing every item in the kit. I've switched it around a little bit this month. You can tell me what you think in the comments below the video box. Tell me if it works for you. I thought it'd be more interesting to show you everything all at once. This is a great representation of the sorts of things that you get in each box anyway. There is always washi tape. There are always stamps, usually a large one and then smaller ones based on whatever the theme of the kit may be. There are usually these parchment style images which are wonderful for using in journals. There are always background papers. There are always little stickers that you can add, and then there's sometimes something a little bit unusual. In this kit, the unusual thing are these lovely tickets. You can see you just rip those off, or you can use them as they are intact. As I say, the March kit is fairly representational of the sorts of things that you will get each month if you subscribe. that is the last of our 5 different layouts using only items from the Your Creative Studio March subscription box. And I hope that's given you some ideas for how you might want to use these items in your own projects or in your own journal or art journal. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this way of looking at the Your Creative Studio boxes. And until we meet again, stay safe and take care.